I'm Miller, Product Manager for Dips. Today, we're going to talk about how we interact with Stereonet views in Dips. Visualizing and interpreting joint orientation data in both 2D and 3D Stereonet plots are equally important as properly structuring our data for our engineering analysis. Let me show you how we interact with Stereonet views at user planes and joint sets in Dips in 3 different ways, using graphical user interface, RSInsight, and Python scripting. Let's take a look. We'll start with an example file containing 5 linear scan lines and a total of 233 discontinuities. To open a Stereonet 2D view, select New Stereonet 2D from the Home ribbon. All the poles and traverses are visible on a Stereonet with lower hemisphere and equal angle projection. To turn on contours, I toggle contours visibility on in the visibility pane. Now, with contours visible, we can visually distinguish 3 dominant joint sets. To add a curved set window, select Add Curved Set Window from the Stereonet 2D ribbon. Click the approximate first corner. Extend beyond the Stereonet extends to wrap the other side and click the approximate second corner. Enter the exact coordinates. Now, repeat the same steps to add set 2 and set 3. Aside from sets, arbitrary user-defined planes can also be added to the Stereonet. In this example, I'll add a plane that represents the bench face. Various visibility settings can be managed in the Visibility and Properties pane. For example, I'll turn off all mean set planes visibility and turn on the visibility of bench face user plane's daylight envelope. Now I'll create a Stereonet 3D view to be able to rotate and explore orientations in 3 dimensions, giving a more intuitive understanding of structural relationships and how they relate to the 2D projection. Now I'll demonstrate how the exact same tasks can be completed simply by asking RSInsight to perform them using plain natural engineering language. I'll first ask RSInsight agent to open my example file, plot a 2D Stereonet, and turn on the contours visibility. Then I'll ask it to add curved set windows using the given corner points. Finally, I'll ask it to add user plane, turn off the mean set plane's visibility, and open a Stereonet 3D view. Let's jump into the Rock script editor and perform the same task using Python scripting.